Start with the background. Go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures, and select this device to insert your background image. Adjust the image. Go to Picture Format, click on Crop, then select Aspect Ratio and choose 16:9. Now, fit the image perfectly to the slide. Fix the background. Right-click on the slide and select Format Background. Choose Picture or Texture Fill, click Clipboard, or select the image to set it as a fixed background. Go to Insert, then Shapes. Draw a large rectangle in the center. Styling the shape. Use the yellow dot to make the corners smoother. Align the shape. Go to Align and select Align Center and Align Middle. And Shape Outline to No Outline. Set Shape Fill to White. Insert Characters. Go to Insert, click Pictures, and select all your player PNG images. Arrange the players. Resize the images. Right-click on the slide thumbnail and select Duplicate Slide. Continue duplicating slides and moving each player to the main position until all players have their own slide. Add information. Apply the 3D transition. Select all the slides from the left preview panel. Go to the Transitions tab, click the drop-down menu, and select the Conveyor transition from the Dynamic Content section. Want a professional presentation like this for your own brand? Check the description below for my services and contact info. Also, visit my YouTube channel for more cool tutorials. Let's make your ideas stand out.